the Education's Program Manager for the Cook Museum of Natural Science. I just returned from Wisconsin where I was at the NAAEE conference. I was there as an Alabama representative. Had 6 days packed full of educational learning and fun.
I am the Retail and Guest Services Manager, so that means pretty much I buy for the store, run the store, just make everybody feel welcome. I just returned from the International Gift Exposition. Of course, children's items and children-related things are very, very important because this is what this museum is all about. Part of the fun of coming to a museum store is finding things that you don't find anywhere else.
A lot to think about it, isn't it?
It is. A lot of pieces ties it all together, and you have to be about 4 or 5 or 6 steps ahead. Come up nicely so far. We're trying to get the big grotto room framed in. That was our goal at the end of this week. Lots going on right now, and getting the metal framework up. That's usually, to me, the most difficult part of it, and then it's kind of downhill from there. The majority of our time this week is just bracing and putting headers in and framing these openings. And then the mesh crew, we'll actually start bending mesh on the lower half while we're working on the top half. To the end of the framing, we're putting on the top on the big room today. Now we're just getting to the point where we can finish all the mesh work and start shaping up. We'll actually make the mesh look exactly like the model.
1 inch equals a foot, so it tells me exactly where I need to be. So we're tying the last structure to the steel. We're doing it with screws, we're tying the wire together, and we'll come back and foam where it's real loose, and then afterwards we'll cover this, and the scratch coat is cement and sand and chopped fiberglass, and that will lock into all this mesh, giving us one solid unit. And then we'll put a finish coat on top of that, in which we'll hand carve or stamp out to make it look just like the inside of the cave.